One brave horse out there who's standing at the hay bale, filling up his belly. There it's empty. It's Apollo, braving the blizzard, eating. The rest of the horses, I'm sure, are out in their shed. Oh, there's a good view of some snow. There you can see it blowing from the blowing out of the north. Big old snowdrift behind the livery stable. And the other horses are out there in that shed. So at least the wind's blowing from the north. They're probably nice and cozy in there. Anyway, so there's a blizzard for you. And a horse in a blizzard.